In this tutorial, we will be populating the plans with epics, their related stories and tasks, and go down to the lowest level to subtasks. From your roadmap plans, go to the Filters section. Update the hierarchy to show from the initiative all the way down to the subtasks. Go to your initiative and click on the ellipses. Select Create a new epic and add a name to the epic. Note that epics should be created under the portfolio project, in this case CTO. Let's create another epic. Notice that the actual tickets are not created yet as they do not have an ID. You will have to accept the changes by going to your top right and clicking on Review Changes. Review the changes, and if you are OK, click on Save Selected Changes in Jira. As you can see, the epics are now populated with an ID. Let's now start populating the plan with stories and tasks. Note that the stories and tasks must be created in the corresponding project where you are managing your work. If we go to the epic and click on the ellipses, you can click on Create Story or Task. However, once you click on it, you only have the choice to create the ticket under the CTO project. In order to list the Jira project where a team is managing their work as an option, you need to create at least one ticket with a link to one of the epics we just created. In this plan, we will be creating a story under the ITBS project. Go to the ITBS project by clicking on Projects and selecting the ITBS project. Make sure you remember one of the epic keys you just created, in this case CTO 404. Click on Create. Create a new story and enter a summary and description. The key here is to ensure that you add the proper epic link to the story. Under the epic link field, add one of the epics, in this case CTO 404. Click on Create. Let's now go back to the roadmap plan and refresh the page. Expand the first epic. As you can see, you are now able to see the story we just created. Now, let's create another story, but this time, we will add it directly from our plan. Click on the second epic and select the ellipses. Click on Create Story or Task. Now you can see that you can create the stories in multiple projects. Select the story issue type and then select the ITBS project. Name the new ticket Story 2. Let's also add a new task. Now, let's review the changes. If everything is okay, you can go ahead and submit the changes. As you can see, all the new tickets are now populated with new IDs. Now let's populate the plan with subtasks. Go to one of the stories and click on the ellipses. Select Create Subtask. Ensure you select the subtask issue type. In this case, it's locked because there are no other options. Then ensure you select the right project. In this case, ITBS. Enter the name of the subtask. Let's create another subtask for the task as well. Click on Review Changes. Review the details and submit the information. Let's open one of the stories and validate that all the information is linked properly. You can see that the story is connected to the correct epic under the epic link field. You can also see that the subtask has been added in its own section. And this is how you would populate your plans. Thanks for watching.